Hi, Mitch Paul with a update on my Dalek. Now this is going to be the last update for a little while because I'm going to be getting back on my hunting tiger tomorrow. After doing the very first job will be a little modification, a little paint job on this which won't take about less than 20 minutes or 10 minutes to do after masking it a bit up, and you'll see what I'll show you in a minute where it is. But anyway, as you can see, they've all gone on quite nicely. I did have to touch up a couple of places with the spray after masking, and now you can't see where I've been because a little bit of blue come off onto the silver when I was got a bit of too much glue there, but not enough to notice it. But there you go. But as we come around to this point, I think here it is, you can just see a bit of overspill there blue. That's because on this particular ball there was actually a little dot there, and I don't know how it got there, so I thought myself I've sprayed over that, and I got a little bit of overspray. Not an issue because I can put silver straight back around that bit ball and you won't even know it's there. So that's what it is. So that's just what I've got to do so far. The next section of this particular machine will be these two bits. I'll just show them over here. These two bits, which there's that bit goes on the top. Like so, it does overhang a bit over the front when it does it. Good to have the back bit. But you can see where it's going to go on, and then this is the head part that I've glued together. I've glued this bit together, but I can't glue this because all the bits got to go on the inside, which is the actual laser or cannon, or the laser. I'll call it a laser for now, and the sink plunger, as I like to call it, because the Daleks could actually clear your sinks in no time. Anyway, so here you go. So that's where I've got to so far with this. Quite pleased with it, and I will be putting it on the base later on once I've done a little modification, which is a bit of plastic card over the top. But before that, I'm going to screw it. It's going to be a thick bit of card. It's going to have a bolt head put on it, a nut I should say on it, and then I can actually secure it to a base as well. So I may, when I get to the end, I think I said it before, is put a three corner dial together with this sitting in the middle with the walls behind it and some bits and pieces. So there you go. So that's the end of this little one. So as I said, all I've got to do is mask that little bit off tomorrow. I was going to do it tonight. I'm going to let that dry completely before I start doing any masking on it, and then that bit put aside until later to do the other bits. So thank you very much for watching this very short video, and just once again, this is New Year's Day, so happy New Year to everyone, subscribers, drop-in viewers, and everyone that watches my channel. So thank you very much. Catch you on the next one. Happy modelling. Well, I don't normally do this sort of thing, but I thought I'd do something. I'll just show. I'm on the last touch up of this around where the balls are, as you can see, and there's a bit of blue. You can actually see what it was is when I glue hit, it took some of the colour out off the ball and put it onto the silver. So I've done 3 other places. They're all done, touched up. I'm just going to be doing this one now, and doing a very light spray. So hopefully you'll be able to see this, and going there very lightly. Yeah, I think you still see it. Oh, I think Ron's right, because when you come out a bit further, you might see there, because I need to have it closer to me so I can actually get into it. But there it is. I think I'm going to do that there. I can take them. I don't always take that nozzle bit off. This bit off. I always take that off, and spray. Allows you to clean the tip if you want. Right, here we go. Got to come in from this angle. Oh, this isn't so clever. A little bit down there, I can see you can't. You have to go in very light. There's a little bit there still. There you go, and you can't see any silver on the screen there. There you go. So what I'm going to do is put this airbrush over here, out the way, and move my pot away. That's going to be closed up in a second, and I shall bring this back over here, and we'll remove the tape. So obviously I didn't have to do this bit too much. There. That was just to stop any overspray. I did it as fine as I could. And now it's gone, as you can see. So it's just the paint's well thinned, and this, by the way, is LP silver. It's LP11. Really like it. It's nice. The pigments are very fine, as you might be able to see. They're a bit fine. And so now this bit now is completely finished now. So this is the second part of this video, just to show a touch up. I don't normally do my spraying on when I'm actually doing it, but just thought we'd show you how I can do it. Now you can see all the way around. She's actually, all the parts that I think I showed in the last video have been sorted, and they're all done now. So now she's looking quite nice. So that's it. So this is the end of this short segment. I'm going to do this video in segments, so the next one will be the actual middle section being built as well. So here we go. Not be showing you that, I'll be showing you updates on it as I go. So thank you very much for watching this little clip, and here we go again. So wait for the next clip. Well, another quick update on the Dalek, and I've been starting this shape. Got a bit of filling to do. I've actually centered the pin that actually goes into glues onto the top of this plate. And that's done.
Today we will be unboxing Revol's 172 scale Airbus 8.
Sorry about that, my iPlayer decided it wanted to take over. Anyway, so back with this. It's all been cleaned up, and the bits are not joined together because I've got to put the actual stems for the laser gun and the sink plunger, as I call it, the pusher, and this is going to be cleaned up a little bit more, not too much, because I've got the rings nearly finished now, which is these. Oops. These 3 rings that go around the top, and I've also got to clean up the rods that go down through the little slots you can see all the way around on these parts here. So that's got to be done as well. So things are moving along. I'll just take this off so you can see what I mean. There's a bit that goes, and that turns round in there. It's already there. It's been centered, and all this has got to be sanded smooth so that it actually sits nice and snug, and that's it really. So I'm not going to get it back on there easily, but they're just sitting there like that. Oops. Oh, you've got to be right above it to get it on straight away. There, no you're not. It's on, and it does turn. So there you go. So that's just sitting there like that, and I'll give you a quick look at the Dalek with all the balls finished again. I think you've seen that already. And there she is. With the black bit at the bottom's not put on there yet. So I'm going to do what I said earlier on in the previous part. So here we go. So this is the end of part 3, I'm thinking. And I'll catch you on the next update. Or the next segment, I should say.